In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable Passkey in Grab. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. You can see over here Grab application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So enabling a passkey is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now in the section for general, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings. Once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various settings options like privacy, security, etc. Under the section for security, you'll be able to find the option for account security. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account security interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for enable passkey. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to enable the passkey. If you enable the passkey, no password will be needed. You'll be able to log in with your face or fingerprint. It will work on all of your devices. It will also help to keep your account safe. So simply tap on this option, add passkey. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create a passkey. Make sure correct Google account is selected over here. Now after you do that, tap on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to unlock the screen lock over here. If you have face lock, you can simply unlock the face lock. If you have added the fingerprint, you can also enter the fingerprint. Likewise, you'll also be able to enter the PIN, passwords, etc. Simply unlock the screen lock. Now you can see over here the passkey has been added. So like this, you'll be able to enable the passkey. So that is how you enable passkey in Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.